Who first proposed the idea of Constituent Assembly for India? Manavendra Nath Roy. In which year Constituent Assembly of India was founded? In 1946. Under which plan elections were held for the first time for the Constituent Assembly? Under Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. When did the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held? On 9th December 1946. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Mr. Sachidanand Sinha. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee on 29th August 1947. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao. Who were the Vice President of the Constituent Assembly? H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. Who proposed the objective resolution before the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru. Modified form of objective resolution is called preamble. The number of members included in the drafting committee of the Constitution was 7. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26th November 1949. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. Who is known as the father of Constitution of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as the chief architect of the Constitution of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many days did it take to write the Constitution of India? 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. How many articles are there in the Constitution when the Constitution of India was adopted? 395 articles. How many schedules are there in the Constitution when the Constitution of India was adopted? 8 schedules. How many parts are there in the Constitution when the Constitution of India was adopted? 22 parts. At present, how many parts are there in the Indian Constitution? 25 parts. At present, how many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? 448 articles. At present, how many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? 12 schedules. How many amendments are there in the Indian Constitution? 104 amendments. Which is the first amendment of the Constitution of India? The Constitution Act 1951. Which amendment introduced changes in the preamble to the Indian Constitution? 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The word socialist and secular added to the preamble by which amendment? 42nd Amendment. Emergency provisions are contained in the which part of the Constitution of India? Part 18. The idea of including the emergency provisions in the Constitution of India has been borrowed from the Weimar Constitution of Germany. How many types of emergency are there in the Indian Constitution? 3 types of emergencies. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the provisions of national emergency? Article 352. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the provision of state emergency? Article 356. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the provision of financial emergency? Article 360. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Article 51A. Fundamental duties of citizens were added to the Constitution of India by which Amendment Act? 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Fundamental duties in the Constitution of India has been taken from the Constitution of Russia. How many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? 11 fundamental duties. How many fundamental duties were added in the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976? 10 fundamental duties. 11th fundamental duty was added in the Indian Constitution by which Amendment Act? 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. What is the 11th fundamental duty of citizens of India? It is the duty of every parent to provide opportunities for education to his child or ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental rights? Part 3. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? 6 fundamental rights. How many fundamental rights were there in the Indian Constitution? 7 fundamental rights. Which fundamental right was removed by the 44th Amendment? Right to property. The model for fundamental rights in India has been taken from the Constitution of the USA. In India, right to property is a legal right. Which right was remarked by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Right to constitutional remedies. Age of voting was reduced from 20 years to 18 years by which Constitutional Amendment Act? 61st Amendment Act 1989. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration of tribal areas of Assam? 6th schedule. Which schedule deals with 22 official languages recognized by the Indian Constitution? 8th schedule. Which articles cannot be suspended during emergency? Article 20 and 21. Directive principles of state policy in the Constitution of India has been borrowed from the Constitution of Irish Republic. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental duties? Part 4A. Village Panchayat is organized under which article of the Constitution of India? Under Article 40. The amending power of the Constitution of India is described in the Article 368. Article 19 of the Constitution of India contains how many fundamental freedoms? 6 fundamental freedoms. In which schedule of the Indian Constitution the list of dividing powers between Union and states are given? 7th schedule. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with provisions in relation to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes? Fifth schedule. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with provisions that specify the powers, authority and responsibility of panchayats? 11th schedule. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the provisions that specify the powers, authority and responsibilities of municipalities? 12th schedule. Directive principles of state policy are included in the articles 36 to 51. Which amendment of the Constitution of India provided right to education as a fundamental right? 86th Amendment. Under which article of the Constitution the Supreme Court of India has been established? Article 124. The power of the President to consult the Supreme Court is under Article 143. Which article deals with the election of President? Article 54. Who administers the oath of the President of India? Chief Justice of India. Whose recommendation is mandatory to impeach the President of India? Two houses of the Parliament. Which article was referred to as the heart and soul of the Constitution by Ambedkar? Article 32. The national anthem was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. Who called the preamble as political horoscope of Indian Constitution? K.M. Munshi. Constitution Day is celebrated in India on 26th November. Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Diwas or National Law Day. Which is the supreme law of India? Constitution of India. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Constitution of India. Who was the chief draftsman of the Constituent Assembly? Surendranath Mukherjee. How many members of the Constituent Assembly signed in the Constitution of India? 284 members. Which act has been replaced by the Constitution of India? The Government of India Act 1935. The language of preamble of the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of Australia. Who said that the preamble of the Indian Constitution is the keynote of the Constitution? Ernest Barker. Which amendment of the Constitution is related to reorganization of states on a linguistic basis? 7th Amendment. Who administers oath to the Vice President of India? President of India. Which article contains right to freedom of speech? Article 19. Which article lays down the procedure for impeachment of the President? Article 61. Who drafted the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru. Article 24 of the Constitution prohibits employment of children in any factory below the age of 14 years. Which article of the Constitution describes the qualification of the judges of the Supreme Court of India? Article 124(3). Right to education for children was made fundamental right in the year 2002. Which article of the Constitution is related to the annual financial statement? Article 112. Who was the last British Governor General who addressed the Constituent Assembly? Lord Mountbatten. Which article mentioned the post of the chairman and the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Article 89. Which constitutional article defines the Panchayat Raj? Article 243. The concept of single citizenship is adopted from which country? From Britain. Under which article the provisions of Contingency Fund of India has been made? Article 267. Under Constitutional Article 343, which is the official language of the Union? Hindi and English. Which community gets special provision for central services in Article 336? Anglo-Indian Community. Who decides allotment of symbols to political parties? Election Commission. Which article specifies the number of seats for the Rajya Sabha? Article 80. Which article specifies the number of seats for the Lok Sabha? Article 81. Which article refers the imposition of President's rule in the states? Article 356. With which amendment to the Constitution Sikkim was made a full-fledged state of Indian Union? 36th Amendment. In which year Right to Information Act was passed? In 2005. Who gave advice to the Government of India upon legal matters? Attorney General of India. How many members are nominated by the President in the Rajya Sabha? 12 members. The preamble of the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of USA.